Hello children, today I have a very interesting activity for you. I hope you will enjoy it and do it at home also. Now, hi Priyanshi. Priyanshi is going to help us do the activity. Priyanshi, are you ready for the activity? Yes, okay. See what you have in front of you. There is a plate and I have made few chits. Children, can you see these chits? These are few chits and I have written some activity that Priyanshi will be doing. Okay, so let's see what she is doing. Okay, Priyanshi, pick up one chit and read it loudly.
Find number 3 and work on it.
Okay, so on the chit it's written find number 3 and walk on it. So look around where number 3 is written, Priyanshi. Yes. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to walk on number 3. So walk on this. Which number is this?
3.
Number 3. Okay, good. Now go back to your place and pick up the next chit.
Do 3 frog jumps.
Okay, on this sheet it's written do 3 frog jumps. Okay, so you can come here and do the 3 frog jumps. How will you do count? Count how many jumps you're doing.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, good. So we have done 3 frog jumps. Okay, now what does the next chit say?
Jump and get 3 round circle objects.
Okay, so you have to jump and you have to look for 3 round or circle objects. You have to jump and look.
So 1.
Okay, 1. Keep it in your hand. Move on to the next object. Where can you see others?
2.
Okay. 3. How many objects do you have with you?
3.
3 objects. 3 circle objects. Okay. Now go back to your place and pick up the next chit.
Jump on 3 squares.
Okay, so you have to jump on 3 squares. First, can you tell me where are the squares?
Here.
Yeah, these tiles, your floor tiles are in the shape of a square. So you have to jump on 3 squares.
So 1, 2, 3.
3. Good. So we have jumped on 3 squares. Okay, and what does the next chit say?
Hop and touch number 3 cards and come back to your place.
Okay, so Priyanshi will hop and she will touch number 3 cards where see, these are the few number cards that are put here. So she will hop from there, come here and touch these only number 3 and go back to her place. So Priyanshi, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, start. Hop, hop. Okay, now touch number 3 cards. Where all can you see? Yes.
2, 3, 4.
Yes, and you have to go back hopping. Okay, very good. Now 2 more are left. What does this chit say?
Hop and look for 3 red objects.
Okay, so you have to look for 3 red objects. Okay, start looking for them.
There are 1, 2,
Okay.
3.
Okay, we have found 3 red objects. Good. You can put it back in the bowl. Now, the last chit. What does it say?
Hop on 1 leg and find number 3 Uno cards.
Okay, so first hop and see where you can find Uno cards. Start hopping. Okay, you can see them. Okay, go hopping there and hop on 1 leg, I think it says.
Oh.
Yes, hop on 1 leg and find number 3 Uno cards. Okay, show me, is this number 3? Yes. We have found one more. Show me. Is this number 3? Yes. Okay.
Number
Okay, good. Very good, Priyanshi. I hope you all kids enjoyed this activity and you can do it at home also. Bye, everyone.
bye.
The thought of the day is today a reader, tomorrow a leader. When we read, we get to know many new things. We get to know new words. We get to know about many new things around the world. So, that is how we get knowledge. So, knowledge is the only key to success. So, if you have knowledge about anything, you can be a great leader. Leaders read books. Why? Because they have to learn about things that they don't know, so they put into action the things that they know and they learn new things.